In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Wise to Korean Bank. Let's walk through this from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're in your Wise account, begin by selecting Send. This is the button that starts a transfer from your Wise balance or linked funding source to a bank account. First, choose the currency you're sending and the currency your recipient will receive. Since we're withdrawing to a Korean bank, you'll typically set the receive currency to KRW. Wise will display the live exchange rate here, and if a rate guarantee applies, you'll see how long it's locked. Take a moment to confirm you're happy with the rate before moving on. Next, enter the amount. You can type in how much you want to send or how much you want the recipient to receive, and Wise will automatically calculate the other side. This makes it easy to hit an exact received amount in Korean won if that's your goal. Now, choose the account you want to use to fund the transfer. This could be your Wise balance or a linked bank or card, depending on your setup. If you're prompted to confirm when the money should be sent, select the timing that works for you. On this same screen, Wise will show you the total fees and a cost breakdown. Review the fee type and speed options carefully, because faster routes can cost a bit more, while slower ones are often cheaper. Next, add the recipient. Since this is a withdrawal to your own Korean bank, select Myself. You'll then be able to enter your bank details. Wise will ask how to route the money, ACH, wire, or SWIFT, based on what's supported. For transfers to a Korean bank, you'll typically use SWIFT, but just choose the option Wise presents for Korea in your region. Enter the required details exactly as they appear with your bank. That usually includes the account holder name, the bank name, the account number, and any routing or SWIFT BIC information requested. Double-check each field for accuracy. Typos or name mismatches can delay your transfer. If Wise prompts for any additional information specific to Korean banks, provide it carefully as shown. Click Continue to proceed. You'll see a final review screen with the amount, fees, delivery estimate, and recipient details. Read everything once more to make sure it's correct, then confirm the transfer. Wise will show tracking updates as your money moves, and you'll receive a notification when it arrives. And that's all. With these steps, your withdrawal from Wise to your Korean bank is set up clearly and securely.